Okay, so this is a high pressure pump, so I'm going to take out this one because there is a problem. Sometime sometime it starts and then suddenly when you refuel then it stops. So basically there might be a problem with a high pressure pump, so I'm going to check this one. So first thing, you need to loosen this ball. There's a bracket here, and then once you do that, let's keep this thing here so that I don't lose it here. Then I have already loosened this one. This is 17. You need a 17. This one opens spanner. You open this one, then you need to loosen this part also. This one I've already loosened all this thing, so we don't need to take out this one. So or else we can take out this one, that's no problem, we can put it back later. So we'll keep this one because it's already loose, so it's not a big deal. So once you do that, we need to take out this. There are 4 bolts here. We need to take out. Alrighty, so we need to do side by side. This is quite hard, so let's change this. So once you do that, you take out this one as well. I think what I will do is I will take out this one as well because it's easy. It will be easy for me to work. So this is done. Oh. We need to take out slowly, little by little, not side by side, otherwise it might break. So now I can change this one. I checked the volt of this meter unit, but it was showing all right. It comes to 9 volt to 16, so it was okay when I switch on the ignition, so that's okay. Now let's take out this. Slowly, side by side. think it has already come out. So I think with my hand I can do this, or you can use a spanner, same thing. Then let's keep aside this one. This one. There's a packing here. We need to be careful about this packing when packing is here. So this is the high pressure pump. This is okay, you know, but I don't know why there are so many oils here. So I need to clean this one, and then once we do that, we clean this one, we need to take out the inside one. So as you can see, this is alright, it's moving, but still that, let's clean. So we need one Allen key. So I don't know what's the number, this one I can't see properly, so with the help of the Allen key we need to loosen this one. Quite light, so basically okay, this is done. Let's take out this coupler so that it will be easy for me. This one. Okay, so let's keep it aside here. Now it will be easy for me to take out. This is a mock engine, power plus BS4. So maybe I can pull it out. Maybe I can pull it out now. I can see. Still headlights. So it's already loose now. I can easily do that with the help of this. So see, we can easily take out now. This is the condition. So if you can see, the roller is already, there are scratches here. So because of that, sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't. So basically I need to change this one, the roller. I don't know how much it will cost me. So once I clean up, I will show you how to assemble this one. So I don't know the price, so I'm going to check out and see. So if you can see the scratches here, see the high pressure pump is okay. This one I just need to clean this one. The high pressure pump is alright, so need to clean this one.